Hey, welcome back to day 2 of the Flow Along Mobility Challenge. I hope you enjoyed the first session and I hope you noticed some differences in how you feel, how you move. You should notice that it was quite sore after yesterday's session, your obliques, your abs, but it's also going to be a great workout for the rest of your body as well, for your shoulders, your arms. And if you engage your legs in some of the movements, then you might feel a bit of a burn in the legs as well. Anyways, today we are going into day 2, but before we jump into that, I want to give you a few quick reminders. Number one, if you have any questions about the moves, if you want to record yourself, if you want to get some feedback on your form, feel free to record yourself and post, and make sure you tag the hashtag TRG Mobility. All right, today we'll be going through 2 exercises, the Overhand Matador, so 2 beats on each side, and we'll also be doing the Underhand Matador, which is the other way around. Each of these exercises will be about 5 minutes long with a 1-minute break in between. I will be going through an easy variation. I'll teach you to move as well. And I'll also give you a more difficult or more challenging variation for those of you who want to make it more of a workout. Quick reminder, always go at your own pace. Ensure that you're not pushing yourself too hard. And also move within ranges of motion that you are comfortable with. If twisting is too much, don't push yourself. So yes, we'll get right into it. All right, we're back inside because it's way too noisy outside. If you live in Vancouver, you'll understand there are only 2 seasons, winter and construction season. So the first move we'll begin with is the Overhand Matador. So I want you to start without the rope and get used to the movement. Even if you already mastered the Matador, try this out because you might notice some difference in how you're doing your Matador as well. So what you want to do is, right now, your leading hand is always going to be the hand that's crossing over to the other side. So if I'm going from my right side to the left side, I'm leading with my right hand, all right? And I cross over on the top. So the leading hand goes on top. So what you want to do is right to the left, and then keep your left hand stationary. And with your right hand, you draw a half circle to bring it to the bottom. Now your left hand's on the top, and now your left hand can lead back to the right, right? Then left hand to the right, draw a half circle. And then right hand to the left, draw a half circle. Left hand to the right, draw a half circle. Right hand to the left, draw a half circle. So get used to that movement, where you cross and then draw the circle, cross, draw the circle, cross, draw the circle, cross, draw that circle, cross, draw that circle. And then if you feel you're ready for it, you can pick up the rope and try out the move. So right hand crossing to left, draw that circle, left hand crossing, draw that circle, right, circle, left, circle, right, circle, left, circle. All right, don't worry if you're using your hands too much right now. We'll get into incorporating the rest of the body in a second. So now you do right circle, left circle. I want you to start shifting your weight a bit. When the rope comes to your right, bounce on your right side. If it's on the left, bounce on the left side. So the left side, you can see I'm putting more weight on my left leg. Right side, more weight on my right leg. Make sure you keep your knees loose. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now I want you to bring your hands closer to your body so that you don't have to swing your arms as much. And I want you to, instead, to keep the movement going, twist your body a bit. Try to make sure that your back is straight, because most people, when they do the overhand, they tend to slouch. So keep your back straight. Turn your shoulders in, right shoulder to the left, left shoulder to the right. All right? Same movement, keep your hands going. Remember, you're shifting your weight from one leg to the other. All right, now that you're kind of used to that, I want you to practice counter rotating. So when I move the rope to my left side, instead of putting weight on my left leg, I want to lift up my left leg a bit, and when it's on the right side, lift up my right leg a bit. So same 2 beats, keep going. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, I'll show it from the side. 1, 2, 1, 2. Remember, keep your back straight, and don't forget to breathe. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Cross, draw a circle, cross, draw a circle, cross, draw the circle, cross, draw the circle. If you want to start to make it a bit more intense, instead of slightly lifting up your knee like this, you can lift up your whole leg, right? When you cross to the left side, you lift up. Cross and lift. Cross and lift. Same with the right side. You can cross and lift. So you lift on the first beat. 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. You can also do alternating legs. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Or you can even work in a lunge. With the lunge, same as before, your left leg is coming out on the first beat when you cross over to that side. So if I cross to the left, I go left, right. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. All right? Again, you don't have to do the lunges if it's too hard. Continue to just get used to the movement. 1, 2, cross, circle, cross, circle. And if you can, counter rotate. Make sure it's left leg coming up when you're on the left side, right leg coming up when you're on the right side. That's how we move, how we walk. When our right shoulder comes forward, our left leg comes forward, right? Cross, circle, cross, circle, cross, circle, cross, circle. Notice when I do the circle, on my right side, my left hand is doing most of the work, my right hand is staying fairly stationary. Right? All right. All right, 1 minute break. While we're waiting, I will explain the underhand Matador. So you don't have to do anything right now, just listen. With the underhand Matador, it's the opposite from the overhand Matador. What's going to happen is your leading hand is going to come under instead of going over. Same principle, you go under, you draw that half circle to bring it up. Then now your leading hand switches to my left hand, going to my right side. And then I'm drawing the circle to bring it up, so the circle is going the other direction instead. And then now my right hand can go under, and then draw that circle, left hand under, draw that circle, right hand under, draw that circle, left hand under, draw that circle, all right? And the beat count also changes with underhand. Instead of 1, 2, 1, 2, what's gonna happen is when you cross to the other side, that actually creates the second beat on the same side. So the beat count flips to 2, 1, 2, 1. So it's gonna get a bit confusing if you try to do the beat count together. So I just like to think about like cross, over, cross, circle, cross, circle, cross, circle, cross, circle, cross, circle, cross, circle, cross, circle. All right, ready? Let's warm up without the rope first. So get used to that cross and then bring it over, cross, 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 bring it over. And when you're ready to use the rope, you can start getting into the movement. In reality, both hands kind of do the work, but just to get you used to that 2-time beat, I'm teaching it this way, where you cross and then use that same hand to draw that half circle over. Don't worry too much about the hand that's on that side. I'll show you from the side view. Right now, when you keep it static, it's a bit easier to kind of get that second beat in. So look at my right side right now, my right hand, pay attention to my right hand, all right? So I'm going to go over with my left hand, cross, bring it over. My right hand stays fairly static, like that. Cross, bring it over, cross, bring it over, cross, bring it over, cross, bring it over, cross, bring it over. And then once you start to get used to the movement, you can start to shift your weight around. And what I want you to do is remember counter rotation. So when the rope goes to the left, you lift your left leg up. Go to the right, you lift your right leg up. Okay? So try to keep the rope, instead of like a sideward swing like that, try to swing it like a bit more forward and keep it kind of close to your body. Swing, right leg, left leg, right leg, left leg, right leg, left leg. I did mention the beat count is backwards, 2-1. I don't want to confuse you, but just to quickly show you why it becomes 2-1 instead of 1-2. When I cross over, that creates the second beat on that same side. So if I'm crossing from my right side to my left side, then that will be 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, right? So as you get a bit better with it, bring your arms closer. Don't forget to straighten your back and make your shoulders twist, and that gives your whole body that rotation. And don't forget to use your legs as well. Just a slight lift of the leg is good enough, right? Kind of like you're marching on the spot, but you don't even have to lift it like knee high, just a slight lift. When you go to the same side, you lift that leg up. Going to the right, my right leg is up. Going to the left, my left leg is up. And if you want to work on balance again, same thing. When you go to the right, you lift your right leg up. Go to the left, you lift your left leg up. So you typically do the lift on the first beat, right? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And if you want to work in a lunge, you can do that as well, same as before. The leg that is lunging forward, stepping forward, is the leg where the rope is going to be at, right? So when you swing to the left, then your left leg comes forward. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Again, if it's too intensive, then just do the simple leg lifts like this. Get used to that movement. Keep your back straight. Don't forget to breathe. Cross, draw, cross, circle, cross, circle, cross, circle, cross, circle, cross, circle, cross, circle. All right, 30 seconds to go. Keep going cross, circle, pull it up, pull it up, pull it up, cross, pull it up, cross, pull it up. Remember, leading hand goes under, not over. All right, that's it. Okay, how do you feel after this session? The Matador's wheel is a bit more difficult than the regular race and chase. Race and chase is just one beat on each side. It's very easy because you feel very intuitive. It's kind of like just swinging a sword like left side, right side, right side. When you work in that second beat, there's a bit more coordination because you need to like switch which hand is coming over and which hand is going to the other side. So I hope it doesn't get too confusing, but don't be discouraged if it's a bit hard to master. It takes most people at least a day or two to get the over and underhand Matador. So if you enjoyed the session, if you have questions about your form, if you're not sure if you're doing it right, again, feel free to post in the comments below. Use the hashtag TRG Mobility, and I should be able to see the post and try and give feedback if possible.